Now we will discuss emerging trends and technologies in cybersecurity. First point is remote working. Coronavirus hit the world in 2020. Before the pandemic in 2020, most of us used to work from office and we used the computers and smartphones which were provided to us by the organization. The working of the IT department was also simple because most of the organizations had the annual maintenance contracts, and even the IT department of the organization used to manage the computers and other equipments at their end very easily. They used to update with the relevant software from time to time. The IT department had the responsibility to make sure that there was no harmful software in the equipments or computer devices of the organization. So the IT department used to patch the software and other devices as and when needed. So these security measures were proper. But with the passage of time, after coronavirus hit the world, things have changed. Now, many of the employees are working from their homes. They are working their own computers and mobile devices for working of the organization. As the employees are working from different locations in the world, it has become very difficult for the cyber experts to ensure the security of mobile devices. When people are working remotely, it is also possible that the employees do not know the other employees of the organization, and it is also quite possible that a person may contact the other person in the name of third person. That is, a person may say that I am also working in your organization, and he may ask something to be done by the other person which will be against the purpose of the organization. There is also the danger of ransomware attacks because harmful software is put into the networks and important data is deleted unless a payment is made to the attacker. As such, it has become very important for the organizations to ensure adequate security measures to protect not only the devices which are present in their office but also to protect those devices which are working from remote. For that purpose, they may have to adopt multi-factor authentication, secure VPNs, and automated patching. As per a report, over 35 million Americans will be working remotely by the end of 2025, an 87% increase compared to the pre-pandemic statistics. Another emerging trend is that targeted ransomware attacks are increasing, and the trend is on a very fast pace. Targeted ransomware means that a type of malicious software or malware that is specifically designed and used to attack and encrypt the data of a specific individual, organization, or group of targets. It means that these types are of ransomware attacks are who have a prefixed target. Cyber criminals often select targets based on their target's expected ability to pay a high ransom rate. Ransoms could total anywhere from tens of thousands to millions of dollars, depending upon the paying capacity of the organization. The attackers encrypt the data or the files of the organization and make them inaccessible to the organization. The largest payout in 2021 for a single targeted ransomware attack was $40 million, with the average request for ransom fees reaching $2 lakh in 2020. So you can observe that the cyber criminals are earning a lot by way of targeted ransomware attacks. The attackers behind the ransomware then demand a ransom payment, and that demand is usually in the form of cryptocurrency. And when the payment is made by the organization to the cyber criminals, only then the cyber criminals decrypt the files and restore the access of the files to the concerned organization. There has been increase in ransomware attacks targeting critical infrastructure, gas pipelines, and hospitals. There has been increase in ransomware attacks, and we will here discuss an example. WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 hit the organizations around the world. One of the largest organizations which was struck by the attack was National Health Service Hospitals in England and Scotland, and up to 70,000 devices, including computers, MRI scanners, blood storage refrigerators, and theater equipment were affected by this attack. It may be also added that over 18% of ransomware attacks occur in United States. Zero-day flaw. Zero-day flaw means a security weakness in a computer software or system that is unknown to the vendor or developer. Zero-day means that the vendor or developer has only just learned the flaw and they have 0 days to fix it. This flaw becomes known to the public when a malware program exploits the flaw and compromises the computer or network connected to the computer. Recently, a ransomware gang used a new zero-day flaw to steal data of 1 million hospital patients. Community Health Systems, which is a big healthcare provider in United States with close to 80 hospitals in 16 states, confirmed in February 2023 that criminal hackers accessed the personal and protected health information of up to 1 million patients. We may add that we have already uploaded courses on many topics such as tips for creating engaging speeches, good communication skills, how to manage stress, job application format, unlocking the power of mental wellness, mastering Heron's formula, most common mistakes in English grammar, 13 useful resume writing tips, what must be in your resume or biodata. We have also uploaded courses on past tense, future tense, cyber security, and other courses. You can also look out for the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.